The Lord bless you and keep you, empower you to keep it. The Lord make His face shine on you. The Lord be gracious, extend grace to you. The Lord lift up His countenance, there it is again, His full attention to you and your family and your children, and give you peace. Now watch, this is the miraculous part. The last verse says, after you do this, I don't want you to add to it. I don't need you to throw this in and throw that in. Just speak it over them. It's my prayer. I wrote it, God is saying. Speak it. And when you speak it, and they, in that moment, will experience a supernatural miracle. King James says, I will put my name on them, and I will bless them.